Hi, everybody. I get a lot of questions about where my clothes come from, particularly once people realize that I don't really sew them myself. So I do a lot of my shopping on the internet, and I have a nice big package here ready to be unboxed or unbagged, whichever you prefer to use. And this is from Shein, which I know it's a fast fashion brand. It's not the best, but they do sell a lot of things that I like that do work well for me, and it's not expensive. I do try to be conscious with what I purchase and not buy things that are destined to the landfill or that aren't going to work for me or that I can't repair. But it does just sometimes still work out well for me. Ready to open. Got my scissors handy. Now obviously I'm going to be careful not to cut the package. There are a couple presents in here, but most of this is my goodies. I did pay for express, which I usually don't, because there are some Christmas presents in this box. I'm just going to put that aside. You have me. Here's the first item. Oh, I need to put that there. This is a lace scarf I bought to wear as a tutu because the one I had from years ago I donated when we moved, and I feel like take care of all that plastic. This is the first item, and it's actually a little smaller than I thought it would be, but the pattern is really pretty. I love the embroidered mesh here, and I'll pop it on right now. Nicely. I'm going to wear this for a little bit. And next, here we go. Up. And this is Christmas present for my nephew, so I'm not going to open that. This is a dress that I got because it's winter and I love velvet. And I had expecting it to be pink, but it is actually closer to pink. Look at those sleeves. Look at this color. I probably need to try that on. Okay. Oh, and this is a Christmas present for my sister. So we're going to put that aside too. Everything else in here is for me, I think. I've forgotten half of what I ordered. I do that sometimes. You may not, because I bet you're younger than I am, but here. Now, I am so glad that I got this time for Christmas, because as we all know, I love Mrs. Claus. This is not as nice a quality as the other one, particularly in terms of the velvet. It's not as heavy and shiny, but certainly will work. It's better than cotton quality, and the lace is nice. This color, here we have another velvet dress that was on sale, and it is actually, I was going to say it's similar to the other one, but not identical. I'm going to say that. Well, pretty close anyway, but once again, velvet, beautiful quality, love the waistband, love the sleeves, love the navy. Very happy with that. And last, oh no, two more things. Two things in here. We have a bra for me to wear with more modern clothes, which I'm obviously not trying on, and a pair of fuzzy velvet gloves because I had some and I lost one, and it could be in the house and I can't find it. I usually wear gloves, definitely this time of year. I could dress gloves, really fuzzy ones. Now, when you are using modern garments for an historical book, one of the things that is really important is underpinning. Totally, I don't want to say change the thing, but enhance the shape. Gives that historical look, affects how you stand, affects how you feel, all that fun stuff. I think I love this, by the way. So I have the cloth. Now, I do think it is important to cover here because you can even up a little bit. And it's also see my chemise a little bit. If that's easier, not wearing this for real right now, than showing it to you. But I think this is good. I love the color. I love the look. It's not the heaviest velvet, but it feels good. And I think it will be very merry. Okay, this is the blue one. I don't think I'm going to bother trying the purple one on for you because they are identical. Near as I can tell, which I haven't realized. That's okay. It has no zipper. It is very soft and comfortable. This is the kind of dress that I like, not quite at home, but when I'm not going anywhere very involved, comfortable, I can wear it over a corset. I can probably also wear it not over a corset. This one I think is fine without the corset cover because it has that little bit of smocking there. It is really great. I cannot get over the quality of the velvet in this gown. I did not pay a lot for it. It is a little long. There are things I can do about that. When I have it accessorized, I'm probably not going to wear it with the chemise either. But I think this is good. Everything in this order is a keeper. And here is the purple one. I'm just holding it up real quick. Yeah, like I said, they're so similar. And I know I like the color. I don't see any reason to try it on. But that's it. That's left. This is my unboxing. Here I get a lot of my clothes. I do also split and buy things from some other sources, which I'm not going to do videos, but internet is great and you can get things that work well for historybounding out of regular outlets.